nothing in sight, forever in flight.
So this is me here. So right now, about to say hi. Hey beautiful fam, thank you for tuning into my channel today. So I'm starting my Saturday late. Myself and Mr. T are going to Target. I don't know what I want to get, to be honest with you, but right here he's just stopping by to get some smoothie. He's quite weird. He wants to have some frozen smoothie, and hey guys, who am I to stop him? Mr. T needs to take some cold frozen smoothies, so we have gotten that, and now we're heading over to Target. I don't even have a list for what I want to buy this weekend, but I do know I need to go to Target. It's been a while I went to Target as well, so I was like, come take me to Target, please. And he agreed. So come along with me, guys.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
So this is me here using style to let Mr. T know that I do need a laptop, because my laptop just stopped working suddenly. But lucky me, I always do back up my files on my hard drive. So I was like, I need a laptop. I was like, oh. So I should be expecting a laptop, oh Mr. T. I know you're watching this video, and I know you know already.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I.
Can you guys imagine? This is planting made easy. They have already packaged everything. It's just a kit. All you need to do is just go home and set it up at the right time. They tell you when to start planting. Has all the instructions. Wow, I think this is super cool, and a lot of people have started going into gardening. So I'm telling you, I really did like saying this. If most of you know, last year I did try planting some strawberries. Although some squirrels ate my strawberries, but yeah guys, I'm cool. This year we're hitting it hard.
Got a time's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be a.
Oh, watermelon is my favorite. I love it.
Alright, here you go.
Okay, you found something. Where's your daddy?
I can find the
Thank
plant.
you.
You want to put some more cilantro in there? What you got cilantro? What all you got in there? They ain't got it.
Daddy, a bike.
My baby needs a bike. What is it? You have a bike now?
That bike's too big for him. We're getting ready to go into it.
But the what alien one? I got some balls. Daddy, mommy, I got some balls. I want that one.
Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country.
Real quick guys, what do you tell your kids when you take them to the store? Like, they never stop asking for stuff. Like, I don't like taking Izzy to the store because he's constantly asking for stuff. But the only good thing is he knows when we were like, no, you can't have it. He understands, but sometimes he doesn't understand. There was a day the lady at the dollar store told me, wow, he behaves well. I was like, He was asking for candy, as in, I don't like taking kids to the store. Please, what's the trick, guys? Do you guys have any special tricks? Please fill me down, fill me in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section. I need a trick on how you take kids so they never stop pointing at stuff and never stop wanting things. Woo, these kids.
I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night. Windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more.
Alright guys, so this is really bothersome to me, the egg and the bunny. To me, this is not what Easter is all about. This is a horrible narrative. I don't care what nobody says, but this is me saying my thing as it is. I do believe what Easter means is Easter really is we Christians commemorating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. We celebrate Easter because Jesus Christ rose from the dead. He defeated death and gave us hope for salvation. I wouldn't be teaching my kids about the Easter bunny, the bunny and the eggs. To me, that's just wrong, and it's changing the whole narrative. It's changing the whole story about Christianity and what Jesus Christ is about. I want to know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think Easter should be about the bunny and the eggs? It doesn't even match. Just let me know in the comment section, guys.
I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide. Follow lights, take me where
I am home. Let me just do a quick run through of all the things that I did get. This is some banana nut sliced cake. Mr. T got this for himself, and I saw this set of silverware for just $10. Very beautiful silverware. I was like, I'm getting this because I've been trying to get silverware. I don't know if the kids just throw my silverware in the trash, and this was $10. I was like, good still. And then here is some plants, some flowers that Mr. T is gonna be planting in the front yard. Spring is around the corner. We're in March. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what the front yard will look like. And then for myself, I got this, so basil, chives, and I think something, I don't know. Anyway, this is a shoe I got for Ariel. This shoe was on sale for, I think, $12. The real original price is, I think, $24.99. Let's see. Yep, $24.99. So when I saw it for $12, I was like, I'm buying it for Ariel. She needs it. It's easy to get baby girl things compared to baby boys. And then I just got those artificial nails for my mom. Here, I got this for myself because my glue for my eyelashes is almost finished. And then here's some jalapeno hot peppers I'm gonna be planting. The instructions are at the back, the months for me to start planting. Super excited. And then also this is some tomatoes. You guys should look out. I am so ready to plant this season. Yes guys, I can't wait. And I got the strawberry patch. Oh my god, guys. Yes, I got the strawberry patch. I can't wait to plant the strawberry. I planted strawberries last year. It was crude. I did it, and I was so happy about it. Some of you guys should know about it. Some squirrels ate my strawberries. Those squirrels are brutal. But this year, I got plants, baby. So you guys should watch out. I'm gonna be doing a video for you guys to see once my strawberries come out. And for those of you that are following me on Instagram, I'm gonna be posting it on Instagram. So this is just an overview of the stuff that I got from Target. Nothing serious, nothing basic. I just wanted to buy stuff, and I did, Yeah, this is what the silverware looks like. Oh yeah, I think there's one more thing I haven't put. Let's see. Yeah, we got a cake for no reason, just for the sake of getting cake. And my kids love cake, so I had to get it for them. And my mom, oh my god. So I don't even eat this cake because it has icing, unlike cake with icing. Hi guys, good afternoon. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So right now, I'm about to get my kids ready for a birthday party. I can't wait for them to pass this stage of going for birthday parties. Like, my weekend is about to be taken from me. But anyway guys, I just want to pick out their clothes, what they're gonna wear, and then I'm gonna go get them ready. I've already given them a shower. I've packed Ariel's hair, so you guys should just stay tuned and let's spend this whole day together. Okay fam, so I have successfully picked out their clothes. For Ariel, she's gonna be putting this jacket on. How do I do it so you guys can see? This is a short sleeve jacket. As I did say, the weather is a little bit warm, but it's cold. It's like 60 something degrees. And then this is the top and the bottom. So that's for Ariel right there. And then for Izzy, he's gonna be putting on this shirt with this trousers, pants, and then a sweater. That, and then we do have their socks. This is Easy socks. Like, guys, I literally have to be looking for socks every day. Does this happen to you guys, moms out there? Let me know. And for Ariel, because I can't find any socks, this is what I could get. Well, she's a baby, she's gonna put it on that way. Look here, mommy. Look here. Cheese. Okay, go stand by your brother. Easy, put that stick down.
But I want to when to blow it. I'm gonna blow.
Oh yeah, stand. Oh yeah, so if you say cheese.
Cheers.
Hey guys, so I'm about leaving now. Already outside, just about to drive, and then here I am getting in the car. I'm about to drive myself over, and I do have my little. They're about to sleep. See, why do kids like cars? Like, once they get into the car, they just want to sleep. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye. Alright guys, so I'm about to go now. See you guys later. It has beautiful things. What's this?
I think that's the stuff in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, my shoes, huh?
Nice.
Shoes. Please help me film the care. This is her hairstyle, I like it. Oh yeah.
Let me even let them do dancing on the chair one more time outside.
Okay.
I'm trying to make them do
You really did a good job.
Why?
Yeah, I like this setting. Simple, small, cute. I like it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Genesis. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Bought the candle!
All right, blow it up, bub.
Good job! Another one! So guys, we're back from the party, and look here, my babies have played themselves out. They are knocked out. Oh my god, oh, this is so interesting.